here to speak on a topic that threatens our future, our youth, the evil effects of drugs and our responsibility in combating them. Friends, life is a beautiful gift for us. It has full of dreams, hopes, and endless possibilities. But sadly, some young people are throwing away this precious gift because of one dangerous word, drugs. At first, drugs may look some attractive, exciting or cool. Friend might say, just try it once, it won't hurt. But that one try can change our life forever. This weaken our body, distracts our brains and weaken our body. Now let's look at the government, which is doing to fight to stop the smugglers. The government is doing to stop the smugglers is the NCB is doing hard work to stop smuggling and punish them who are selling drugs to innocent persons, youngsters. Now let me start with a simple line. Drugs is the main thing that destroy a man in his life. Let me give a pledge. We help another person who is falling into addiction of drugs. We want to don't ignore him. We want to talk to him and teach them to don't use drugs. This destroy your life. Thank you everyone.